Well, this is our very old mango tree. Over here, it's huge. I don't know if you can see it. I've been watching it 3 or 4 months ago. I was watching this tree and watching how the mangoes, the tree started to flower, and the flowers were pollinated. It created small little mangoes, and then I've been watching them grow. So we're gonna have probably this tree, this giant mango tree. You can see it. This is the base of the tree, and it's huge. It's huge, right? Big old tree. It's going to produce probably hundreds of mangoes for us. So here's some of the smaller mangoes so far. You know, they're going to grow very large. So it's very interesting, and they're all over this tree. They're just all over the tree. You can see on these branches, there are all kinds of mangoes here. It's really so. What's also interesting is we have these endangered monkeys. I posted the name of the monkeys in other posts, but they know when the mangoes ripen too, and they come to the tree and they just feast on mangoes like day after day after day. But I would say right now this tree has about 200 or 300 mangoes on it right now, so that should be plenty for our needs and the monkeys. And what's also interesting is the mango tree, it rejects certain mangoes. So there are mangoes, just drops these little mangoes all over. I'd say a few hundred mangoes already dropped on the ground, and they just, they're just all, they fall all over the ground. And I'm not sure why they reject these mangoes. I'm not sure. I don't know. They must be bad. They must be duplicate mangoes. I'm not sure why. But what's also interesting is that we get porcupines who come into our garden here at night, and they eat. There's a little tunnel. I'll show you the tunnel. They burrow through this tunnel, and they must have made this tunnel. So there's this is a fence. That's sort of the border of the land here, and they create a little tunnel. There's a tunnel that goes to the other side in the tunnel and underneath into this other area. It's almost like a, I don't know, jungle, well, kind of a forested area. And I find these half-eaten mangoes, young mangoes on the ground. So it comes here, the porcupine, or more than one, and it eats the fruit that has fallen. So it's a pretty cool ecosystem that we have here in this garden. This is one half of the garden. So one half of the garden is here, and the house actually divides a second garden that's about as big as this one. So we're gonna grow veggies in the other side. So just an update about our mango tree.